Welcome to program number 3 in the Basic Engineering Skills module. In this program, you're going to learn some important words and their meanings, which we call basic engineering concepts. When you go into workplaces such as engineering workshops, factories, or onto building sites, you'll hear words like flat, level, and square being used by people describing their work. If you don't know these words or what they mean, you could run into a few problems. So this program has been made to help you understand some of those engineering expressions or words and to prepare you for further programs which will often use such words. Let us begin with the word flat. Flat is the word used to describe a surface or a line that has no lumps, bumps, dips or bends in it. If you place two perfectly flat surfaces together, you will not see any gaps between them. A flat surface can also be checked using an instrument called a tri-square. The side edge of this instrument has been made perfectly flat. A surface may look flat to your eyes, but when compared to the flat surface of a tri-square, you'll see gaps, which from an engineering point of view means the surface is not really flat. Another word we use is the word straight. By drawing a line against the straight edge of this steel rule, we have a straight line. This piece of string is not straight, but if we stretch it tight, it will become straight. Now the words flat and straight may not always mean the same thing. For example, the edge of this tri-square is flat and it is straight. But this piece of timber looks flat. But as you can see, it isn't straight, as it has a bend in it. Therefore, the words flat and straight must not be used to mean the same thing. Another word we often hear is the word level. Level is difficult to describe, but easy to see. Let's take this container with water in it and place it onto a flat and level surface. A liquid such as water will always settle or become still if we leave it alone, and its surface will always be level. If we slowly tip the container over, you will see that the top of the water will stay level. To demonstrate how we can use this principle, let's almost fill this glass container with water and fit a cap to it. When we lay the container on its side, the bubble will move to the top and settle in the center, provided that the surface that we lay the container on is, in fact, level. As you can see, any tilt or lean of the surface will cause the bubble to move away from the center of the container. An instrument called a spirit level is used to check that any surface is level. The instrument is basically a straight and flat piece of wood, plastic material, or even metal, into which a glass tube has been fixed. Inside the tube is a liquid and a bubble of air. The air bubble will always sit at the top of the surface of the liquid. When the instrument is placed on a level surface, the bubble will sit between the two lines painted on the glass tube. Let's go over what we've learned so far. First, we learned about the term flat, which is a surface that has no bumps, lumps, bends, or dips in it. Then we spoke about straight, meaning that something has no bends in it. Then we demonstrated the term level, meaning that a surface does not lean or tilt. Stop now and discuss these words with your instructor and look at some of the instruments we used in the video.